Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing due. Oh yeah. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can see what other goodies they have to offer. I do believe it's coming from Auricamp. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right. I do apologize, but you guys can see it in the title and in the description down below. And check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping, and you'll get one of these in no time. Now we got summertime coming. This will be definitely handy for all you campers out there on the road. Emergency survival kit. This has some really good stuff in it. So technical knife, medical, flashlight, fire. It's a nice little kit they have. And I do believe they got different sizes and different ones too. So like I said, if you guys got some free time, check them out. Make a purchase. And be all set. There they are. And it is Auricamp. I can't pronounce it. It's like A-U-R-I. It's right on top there, right there. But here we go. Let's see what's inside this goodie box. Nice little bag. Hopefully you guys are not too dark. Brighten it up a little bit. There we go. Alright. So we have here, like I said, nice little travel bag. Oh, this is like a mini backpack. Oh, put it on your hand, I guess. Carry it like this. And then strap it onto your other backpacks or so. Definitely a good thing to have extra. This would be a great gift for somebody. Put it on somebody's boat. Like I said, camping will be the summertime thing to do. This will be coming really handy. Oh, we got a compass in case our cell phones go out. In case doomsday happens, this would be a good thing to have. Always handy. Oh, look at that. Nice little compass right there. Magnifying glass. This is fancy. So like I said, all I gotta do is click on the link. And what we got here? We got the first aid kit, so that's a really good thing to have also. Nice little baggie. What we got in here? Oh, scissors. Cuts pretty good. We got some gauze. Got some tweezers. Got some tape. We got some alcohol pads. We got some more swab, gauze. And we got some, oh, in case you hurt yourself. That's pretty cool. Definitely you campers out there going on the, oh, look at this. We got some pins down at the bottom, some push pins. And then some bandages. So that's really cool. Definitely come in handy. Put the gauze in first. And we got this little thing right here. And I got this. I got tweezers. That's for us doing stitches, I guess. And cutting. And the swabs. And the bandages. So that is good. And we got some more stuff. Alright. Put these in here. Let me seal it up. A really cool product. For your hiking trips. Alright, what do we got here? We got, there they are. Auricamp. Got some brochures. Uh-oh. Oh, this is like one of those emergency glass breakers, I do believe. Got that measuring. Not sure exactly. This could be useful. I think it's smashed out the window. I do believe. One of those seatbelt things. I could be wrong. But that's a good thing to have. And now we have here. Whoa. Look at this little tiny thing. I'm not going to open it because it's going to be a pretty pain to open. But it's a blanket. Silver emergency blanket. Reflects 90% body heat. Windproof, waterproof. Uses a blanket shelter signal for reflecting light and radar. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's definitely a good thing to have. What is this? Some kind of trap. It's kind of interesting. Uh-oh. What we got here? Stainless steel something. What is this? I've never seen one of these things before. It's like a bottle opener. A little hacksaw to cut some trees down. Stainless steel. Not sure what that does. Interesting. Oh, there's a list right here. Cool. Multi-purpose pockets vowed to can opener, knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, cap opener, 4-position wrench. Whoa. Butterfly, saw blade. Dang. That's crazy. You got a bottle opener there. There's a little saw. That's pretty nifty. This should be a short video. I don't think it will be that long. I got one more thing to show you guys really quick. Or actually 2 more things. That'll be done. So, here's a pocket knife. Kids, be careful. Make sure you ask your parents. For your Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts. Whoa. This is a pretty heavy duty knife. Ain't no one gonna mess with you. I don't want to close it open. I'll try it. There we go. It's a nice little blade right there, so be careful messing around with this. You don't want to cut yourself. Like I said, kids, definitely ask your parents beforehand. I think there's an age limit also on it, so definitely check with your parents when you guys go on your trips, camping trips. Make sure you have adult supervision. And here's one of the blue LED out of batteries. Dang. Let's see what size batteries. Pause really quick. Yep, alright, I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here's a light. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I think I do. You can see the circle around. It is pretty bright, but it's still early out, so it's still an afternoon here. But it is definitely bright. I think it flashes. Yeah, see? SOS somebody if you're ever trapped in the woods. Pretty cool. Shuts off. So boom. Really bright. Alright. And then I think that's about it. So you get a nice little selection. Oh, that's my scissors. But you get a nice little selection. First aid kit, compass, knife, that thing over there, blanket, and those things, and the flashlight. So check them out. Auricamp survival kit. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys back later on. I got a couple more videos, so like I said, definitely when you guys got free time, check them out. Get some really good stuff out there. And that's about it. YouTubers, be safe and have a good one. See ya.